starts here, in silence. Where there's no road, no distractions, no one watching. Just him, and the machine he trusts the most. To push further, he returns to the same place again and again. The relentless training. Deep down, he likes it. He needs it. That climb? Yeah, he's been there, over and over, and he didn't back off. He never does. Every rep, every session, he's forging something bigger. Something tougher, faster, unstoppable. And man, that bike, it's more than just a tool. It's part of him. Built for speed, forged for the fight, designed for the win.